Hi, I'm James Shillinglaw. I'm here in a very familiar place. If you look in the back, we're in Venice, and we're at the Sina Centurion Palace. And I was here about 10 years ago when it first opened, and this gentleman here was here then too, so he knows a little bit about this hotel. And his name is Paolo Morra, and he's the general manager. We're going to find out all about what's been going on with the Centurion Palace on Insider Travel Report. Now, Paolo, as I said, I was here 10 years ago. I'm back again,
remember, yeah.
and it's an incredible property. First of all, talk about the location. Where are we?
Okay, first of all, let me say welcome back.
Thank you.
We are in the district, in the art district of Venice, Dorsoduro. We are in the middle between the Salute Church and the Peggy Guggenheim collection, very close to the Accademia Bridge. So let's say, well, as I said, we are in the art district of Venice because of these galleries, and then the very famous Guggenheim Museum.
Yeah, well, it's lovely, and it's also right on the Grand Canal, as you can see in the background. Right?
And then we have the privilege to be right on the Grand Canal, facing San Marco Square. So I think it's the best place to be.
Well, I know I wrote a story about this a long time ago. I called it my own private Venice because it's so quiet over here, yet you have stores, you have incredible attractions from the Peggy Guggenheim to the Modern Art Museum that's down in the Customs House. You're right next to the Vaporato, right over here, and right across from San Marco, right?
Yeah, exactly. So we have the privilege to be in this area because we are a little bit away from the noise of San Marco, but we still are in the historical center of Venice. You know, as you said, we are close to the Guggenheim, but there is also the very important new modern art museum, Punta della Dogana, which is a contemporary museum, which is very, very important, you know. And now I have to say that this neighborhood is very important. Let's say that if you want to buy an apartment here, it's even more expensive than San Marco area. Why? Because all the Venetian people, the very rich Venetian people, want to stay in this area because it's more elegant and it's away from the mass of tourists.
And that's absolutely true, although you can walk right across the Accademia Bridge and you're in with the more of the touristy site, and we did that earlier today. Now, talk a little bit about the accommodations here. How many rooms do you have?
So the hotel is a boutique hotel. We have 50 rooms, 38 doubles, and 12 suites. We have a wonderful presidential suite, which is 200 square meters, all facing the Grand Canal. Then we have other two very nice duplex suites, and then the rest are all junior suite deluxe facing the Grand Canal.
And the core is sort of different because I recall when I came here before, and the room that I have now, you didn't really have sort of the antique furniture that some of you would associate with a palazzo, but you did something else. You went with a more modern decor that almost reflects that, right?
Yes, let's say that our president, Dr. Bernabò Bocca, you know, when he bought this building, he said, okay, I don't want to do another, you know, Venetian style, not at the end not original, because, you know, there are really few original Venetian style building in Venice. So he decided to do this beautiful building in a contemporary way. And I think at the end he won because it was a great idea. So let's say that Sina Centurion Palace is a contemporary hotel in a Venetian box. So the building is typical Venetian style, but the interior design are more contemporary, made in a real elegant and warm way. This is the feedback of our clients.
Yeah, well, it's a wonderful thing, and the decor really does match, and the views you can't beat. And of course now I can come to the dining and beverage part, and we are actually standing in the dining room, right? We're on a patio overlooking the Grand Canal, and it's one of my favorite places to have dinner in Venice.
Yeah, this is our small, very exclusive restaurant terrace. We have also another one, a bar terrace, which is also facing the Grand Canal. Let's say a couple of words about our chef Giancarlo Bellino, our executive chef, who is really a great chef. We do propose gourmet menu, but also traditional. So everything is prepared in a contemporary way, but really very tasty and very good quality.
And then, of course, if you're not going to have, in fact, well, we couldn't get in here last night. You were overbooked, so we're going tonight. And then, so we had drinks in the bar next door, which also has a patio and a lovely place to have drinks, and also get some light snacks and things like that, right?
Exactly. I would like also to point at the fact that this hotel, being in the art district of Venice, started in 2010 to exhibit some sculptures.
I know, very interesting sculptures, right?
We do have 3 sculptures of Bruno Catalano, who is a very important artist. There is one standing right on the Grand Canal. It's almost 4 meters long, high. Okay, and then we have other 2 sculptures in the main entrance of the artist Philip Shankly, who is also exposing at the Biennale Contemporary Art.
Well, it is one of the things, because you are right between 2 great modern art museums, between the Guggenheim and the Customs House down there. So I think it's an amazing place. So anything else you'd like to get across to the travel advisors that we go out to about this wonderful property?
Yes, I want to say something which is something new. You know, everybody talk about the green, you know. Everybody wants to be green. So what we are trying to do here, we want to be more green than the other. So next month in July, and then again August, September, and October, we will dedicate as a Sina Centurion Palace one day, me personally, with some of my team, with a private boat, and we dedicate one day to clean the canal. You know, we try to take all the plastic out, and then we are trying to do more things about green inside the hotel. And the great news is that next year the Sina Centurion Palace will have a dedicated boat, which will be all with recycled material and with electric engine.
So you will be going green here in Venice, absolutely.
Yes, we want to do it.
No, it's great. But Paolo, thank you so much. It's been great to return here to see what you've done in the last 10 years. And anything else you'd like to say?
I would like to point the fact that this hotel is a boutique hotel, and the main point, I think, is the hotel is beautiful, as you said, thank you, but I think that the team and the service is what make real the difference in a 5-star luxury hotel, details and service.
Absolutely, I couldn't agree more. Again, thank you. It's been wonderful to be back here to see this, and tonight I'm looking forward to the dinner on this wonderful patio overlooking the Grand Canal. Great to see you, Paolo. Hopefully, I'll see you before 10 years again.
Thank you very much. I hope even before.
I'm James Shillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.